For real?
He was live and everything.
Okay, cool. You gotta get the close-up views.
Nah. I just want these bitches to have that. Here you go. Put that on. On the way, like you think the fish will get caught on it.
No. Soon as I cast that thing out there, you said, oh my god, I caught a fish. It's not funny. I was excited.
Bro, don't start.
So we get a lot of food.
Yeah, that's it. Ate my shit.
Ron's got snags. He said, "Blue game, how game?" Yeah,
First
got
fish of the
one.
day,
First
Chad.
fish of the day after like how long? 20 minutes? Hell yeah. Second catch of the day. He catching them. That's a big one.
I normally get like
His third catch of the day.
20 or
Caught me another one. We was trying to eat. That's his sixth one. He catching them. Copped him another one. W fishing day.